Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own bitmoji interactive classroom. So we'll start by making a new PowerPoint. Then I just want to get rid of these boxes. Now, so the first thing we want to do is insert a picture of a wall and a floor. So online pictures. Okay, so the next thing then I want to put into my classroom is my whiteboard. Online pictures. Normally when I'm putting in my whiteboard or my shelves or my desk, I will try and make sure that it's a transparent background so that there's no background to the picture that will take up even more room in the PowerPoint slide. So just put in the word transparent before whatever you're searching. And then just pick whatever one you want. So I'm going to go with this one here. And I just want to make it a bit smaller. So then here I can put in my learning intentions, learning outcomes, the topic that we're doing, the date, just by putting in a text box. So the next thing I want to do is to insert my bitmoji. So if I go into Google Chrome, bitmoji is an extension of Google Chrome. So you can, if you don't already have it downloaded, just download bitmoji and it'll save to your little corner up here. So then I just want to look for the picture I want to put in. So I want to put in this one. But if I just copy and paste this in, I'll show you now. It'll just give me a background to it, which I don't really want. So see that black background there. So what I'm going to do then is delete that one and then go into, so say download the picture, which I already have done. So save image as. I will give it that big long name, and then go into a website called remove.bg. Upload the picture, which is there, and then download it, and then insert to download the picture into the PowerPoint. So insert pictures. So you can do that with any image that you've, even if you just find one that you searched, even if you have a background on the PowerPoint, if you forgot to put in transparent, you can upload it to that and it'll take it down, and it's a free website as well. So next thing I want to put in is my shelves. So insert online pictures again. I'll go with these ones here. And just shrink them down then to fit your slide. So the next thing that I want to do is put in the resources that I'm going to use in class. So I'm going to use a PowerPoint and a Word document. So 2 things I want to do is get the pictures first. So online pictures. Let's just delete this little link here. So then if I go into my OneDrive, I'll get my link. So I'll just go File, Share with people. So if you are in a Google school or in a Microsoft school, you can just share this as it is. So what I'm going to do is copy the link. Anyone with a link can edit, so I don't really want them to edit it. So I'm going to do that again. So File, Share with people. Change this up here, so I don't want them to edit it. So I'll apply that and then copy link. Copy. And then just click on the image, hit link, and just copy and paste your link into the address. And then when you go into present the PowerPoint, it should bring you to the link. So I'll go back into my PowerPoint, and then I want to insert my Word document as well. So I want to insert picture. This one here. So again, just delete that box. Oops. So insert my link again. So go back into my online. So hit File, Share with people. don't allow editing, apply, and then copy link. Copy. So that is how you make your Bitmoji classroom. So you can add other things into your classroom as well if you want, plants or a desk and whatever you want to do yourself. So have fun, and hopefully I will make another video for how to do this on Google Classroom as well.